Whether you're a fan or not, you cannot deny the tremendous success of the Roof Boxer series. And today we have the latest model for you, the Roof Boxer Alpha. Let's take a look. Right, well, let's start the unboxing. Sorry about that. Here we go. Open up the box, take out the helmet, which is tucked away in a helmet pouch. And we have some stickers, but we'll get into those in a minute. And some of that stuff that you should not eat. Now, the helmet's safely tucked away, so let's undo that by opening the helmet pouch like so. And taking it out. Well, look at that. For fans of the Boxer helmet, you can instantly see that this is different. We're going to talk about that in just a moment. But in general, we're seeing a helmet that's very similar, although there are some different things, like this orange thing over here, and the clasps on the chin bar are bigger. But I suppose we'll look at all the details in a moment. Let's start by saying that this helmet is ECE 2206 certified, like most new helmets, or well, really all new helmets coming out at this time, because the ECE 2205 certification is going to be kaput soon. That doesn't mean that you can't ride with your old 2205 helmet, so if you just bought one last year, don't worry about that. But it does mean that all new helmets being produced and sold need to adhere to the new standard. And something else I find pretty special about this helmet is that Roof have offered a 7-year warranty, which is pretty damn generous, seeing as most helmets range from 2 to 5 years, and often the 5 years requires a registration. That's not any different in this case. It has a standard 3-year warranty, and you get an extra 4 years if you register the helmet within 30 days after purchase. Let's just push the chin bar all the way to the back. By doing so, you will see that the chin bar touches the new spoiler on the back of the helmet, and that it actually looks like a pair of angry eyes. Interesting. This helmet is more aerodynamic than the previous Roof Boxer V8, and of course this is the direct successor to that model. Speaking of that model, we actually have one over here. Let's just get that. Now, if we bring the chin bar of the previous Roof helmet, the V8, to the back, there aren't that many differences you will be seeing at the front. One thing you can see is that the new Boxer has this orange, rubbery, silicone kind of latch that holds onto this metal pin. Let's just put that on. All right, that's on. Not too hard to do, but not something I'd want to do with gloves, I don't think. And this keeps the chin bar in place so it can't move forward. Now, I'm not sure if this has something to do with the PJ homologation, the dual homologation, meaning you can use the helmet as a full face helmet and as an open face helmet like this, because the previous model also had dual homologation, and I'm not seeing anything like that. So I guess it might just be an extra safety feature, but definitely something to keep in mind when you're using the helmet, because if you forget about that, you're going to be pulling on it, and that's not going to work. Luckily, it's flexible, so you can easily break that. Another thing that's going to be different on your new Boxer Alpha helmet is that the Boxer letters are not actually already on the helmet. They're going to be on a different sticker sheet in the box, which is pretty good because a lot of people are asking for less branding on helmets, and well, mostly people are getting more branding. So it's quite nice that you can choose if you want to use these letters or not. I personally would probably leave them off because I like the clean look and the matte black finish. But that's something you're going to be able to choose yourself from now on. Apart from that, the ventilation options on the top look the same and seem to open the same. And we also have some ventilation on the chin bar. I've already forgotten that now. Easy to remove though. And that also looks the same. Yeah, cool. So they're not any different. What is different is that they've worked on the insulation of this helmet, so it should be quieter now. It's still not going to be like a showy Neotech 3 or a Schubert C5 or anything like that, but it's definitely good to have some improvements. Remember, when you're on the motorway, always wear earplugs. And something else that's really good about the new Alpha helmet is that it's also prepared for a communication system, so you can finally comfortably build that in without worrying about where you're going to put the speakers and the wires and stuff like that. So that is a big improvement for this helmet. Apart from that, like I already said, the latch over here is slightly different. It's bigger than on this one, if you can see that. Basically, the mechanism is easier to use, it's easier to close, and if you're going to be putting the helmet back like this, and you're buying the helmet for the devil horns, then you're going to have a bigger horn. Apart from that, what you see is what you get. This helmet is barely heavier than the predecessor. This one's 1600 grams in the extra large size that we have here, and this one's only 50 grams heavier, which is not bad for an ECE 2206 successor. And apart from that, like I already said, it has the improved aerodynamics, and the look of the helmet has not changed other than the added spoiler on the back, which only really makes it look cooler, but the look itself has stayed intact, that everybody knows and loves. And by the way, if you're looking to display this cool looking helmet, then we have got a lovely new product for you, and it is the Grey Steel X7 helmet and gear wall mount. As you can see here, the roof helmet looks great on it. You can use this mount to hang up your gloves, your helmet. It has 3 holes for clothes hangers, so you can put up your jacket, your pants, and your complete leather racing suit, and also some hooks here for your keys and your earplugs. So check that out on our website as well. The new Roof Alpha comes in at €399 and is available in a few different colours. You can check them all out on our site. Thank you again for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment if you're missing any information. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. FortaMoto.com is the usual address for all of our products for the best prices, best service, and of course, worldwide shipping. And we hope to see you again at the next one. Cheerio, and God bless.